out my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another clean with me. I'm really excited for today's video. I know I say that every time, but really and truly you guys, this is jam-packed. I know it's short and sweet, but there is lots of cleaning motivation. So go ahead, put me up on whatever device and tackle your mess along with me.
Still it feels just like I'm waiting for.
As you can see, I'm just going ahead and tidying up the entryway and the dining room before we move into the kitchen. We're going to be obviously doing lots of cleaning here today in the video, and I'm also going to be organizing one of my drawers with all of my Ziploc bags, my Saran wrap, and my tin foil, and I am just so pumped about the bamboo organizers I got off of Amazon, so make sure that you stay tuned for that throughout the video. And I'm also going to be mopping my floors, which you will see near the end, and they were so bad. So stay tuned for lots of cleaning and homemaking motivation. I couldn't even believe how bad and dirty the back of these chairs were. They were so sticky from, honey, maple syrup, all the things from my toddler, so I really needed to go ahead and give them a wipe. I am just using my Thieves multi-surface cleaner to go ahead and clean the table as well as the chairs, and I will be using it all throughout the kitchen. So now that we are done here in the entryway and dining room, we are gonna go ahead and move on into the kitchen for lots of cleaning. I'm gonna go ahead and start off and just get these dishes done. Go ahead and let me know down below what you're tackling on your list of things to do today, or maybe you are just sitting back and relaxing. Let me know down below. So now that I've got those dishes done, it is now time to tackle my drawer. Oh my gosh, look at this kitchen drawer. Sometimes the drawers, as you all know, I'm sure, kind of get a little bit out of control. So I went ahead and ordered these bamboo organizers. I've been seeing these all over my Instagram and TikTok, so I figured I would hop on the bandwagon. They are so cute, and they also do a really good job. So some of you might think this is a little bit extra, and that's okay, you do you, but you guys, this organization literally makes my heart so happy. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you find organization just as satisfying, if it makes you happy and you really enjoy seeing these sorts of videos. I will be doing more organization in the future, but I wanted to let you guys know I will be going down to one video a week starting probably next week, to be honest. I am a little bit overwhelmed, and I always get caught up and then I try to get back to 2 videos a week and I get really overwhelmed again. So I'm going to take a step back and just go for 1 video a week for the next coming up weeks, and then I might try and post maybe like the odd extra video, maybe bi-weekly, maybe once a month. I haven't quite decided yet. It will all depend on how I'm feeling, but stay tuned over on my Instagram as I am very active over there every single day. But don't worry, I'm not going anywhere here. Just, you might notice I'm only going to be posting once a week. So if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe for lots of cleaning motivation. Because with that being said, even though I'm only going to be posting once a week, I'm going to be posting a lot longer videos, which I'm really excited about, because instead of doing 2 separate videos, it's just going to kind of all be in one. And you also want to make sure that while you are subscribed, your bell is on so you are notified when I do end up posting that 1 video a week.
Like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do. Doing what you do. Doing what you do. What you do. Doing what you do.
So as you can see, I did go ahead and put some lemon oil on my stove here. They have these burn marks and I wanted to try some lemon oil. It's supposed to be really good at like cutting that off and getting rid of it. And I wanted to keep it natural. So you will see as I'm kind of scrubbing here, it did get rid of quite a bit, but it is not completely gone. I might have to whip out my oven cleaner and try it on the stove, but I really don't want to. So I'm gonna try and make a paste, maybe in a future video, to try and really get all of that off.
That brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.
So on top of some everyday cleaning, I did have to go ahead and wipe the appliances down as well as the kitchen cabinets. So we're gonna go ahead and same thing, just using my thieves cleaner throughout the kitchen today. We're gonna go ahead and wipe that clean before moving on to the cabinets.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back.
So I know I just told you that I've been a little bit overwhelmed, and I want that to truly be a reminder for you as a mom, as a homemaker, to really and truly just give yourself some grace. If you are struggling, if you are overwhelmed, like it's okay. It's okay to take a step back. It's okay to let things get put on the back burner for a little bit. It's okay to take some time to yourself and not feel guilty about it. I'm really and truly just giving myself lots of grace, and I truly hope that you can also do the same. And I hope that my videos can encourage you and inspire you while you are trying to just, get back up on your feet, to move past that if you are struggling, and just to feel like you are cleaning along with a friend. So I really hope that my videos inspire you and encourage you and motivate you. And just know I am here to support you in any way that I can and to mentor you and guide you. And so if you are struggling and you want to reach out, you are more than welcome to as well.
Hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I don't wanna go back.
If you are wondering what I'm using on my floors, I'm using the Go Clean Co method. I will have it linked down below if you haven't heard of it before. They also have an Instagram account, which is very, very useful, but I actually made a blog post dedicated to the Go Clean Co method. That is how obsessed with it I am. It is not natural, but that's okay. I'm all about mixing things up. But look how dirty my floors were. I did actually mop the entire house off camera, but that water was so nasty. And it's crazy because the floor doesn't look dirty, but it truly, truly is. So now, as you can see, I'm going ahead and using the Dawn Power Wash to go ahead and scrub my sink before I will let a essential oil diffuse. Thank you so much again for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. You cleaned along with me and got your mess tackled. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to say hi in the comments if you haven't already. I love connecting with you guys and I do respond to every comment. We will see you guys next week for a new Clean With Me. Bye for now.
Like I wanna get lost.